Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to download slide player slides. So I have here the slide player slides. So here. Now in order for us to download this, we have two options. However, we can't download it in PPT format as well. We can download it as image and then after that paste it in your PowerPoint or in your Canva or in your Google Slides. So first, this one I'm using mobile device, so you can just simply click the slide and then click download image. So you have the option like that. So you can download each slide and then paste it in your PowerPoint. The second one, if you like a better copy of the image, you can go to the new tab and then search slide player PPT downloader and then kindly click this experts PHP at the website and then click that and then go back to the slide player and copy the link. And let's copy it. And then after that, let's go back to the experts PH. You can X this one. And then after that, we can go here, paste the URL link for a while, and then download. After that, you will see this one. So here are the list of the pages. So we can download it, like download image, and then download each slide here. Then once you're done downloading each slide, you may now paste it in your Microsoft PowerPoint or in your Google Slides.